Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande
For the women education. Now more and more girls are coming for professional courses compared to earlier days, and more are taking the job in the professional front. Usually females think that the education is just like a passport for the marriage. Now the situation is changing, and they are more and more are taking the profession even after marriage also, like computer, softwares and other areas. And the women also working in the house after their domestic work, do the computer programming, internet and other thing, and lot of job online in the house itself also they are doing. So that is a good move, because it cultivates a good culture among the people. But still lot of improvements are required, because society is not educated as such fully to create a good awareness of protection for the females. This is a very bad thing happening every day. You can see in the newspapers and other thing, this type of attacking females in every nook and corners. So that attitude should change, and people should be aware about the protection from the society for the females.
I do agree with this, and just there is a little questions arise in my mind. That means when we are talking about gender equality and women's empowerment, are human rights that lie in the heart of development and the achievement of the world. Will it be true for us, and how extent we people are serious for?
That is why we should create some educational knowledge to the society, so that how important females is and what important role they can play for the development of the family as well as society. So that should be created awareness, and female should be protected from all type of injury, whatever it may be.
Like one question, despite the progress that has been made, 6 out of 10 of world poorest people are still women or girls. Is this lack of our willpower?
It is that is true, because as a society is concerned, in the family, females are given last option for education or any other thing. Their words also taken last. But as such, earlier days, it is not that way. Women always had a word to say. But that is that attitude should change, and should take there also in the process of development.
So there is one question, means less than 16% of the world parliamentarians are women. They are far less likely than men to be politically active. Suggest how do we put them in active politics truly?
Community type of enterprises, community type of...
Because you are an educationist and you are just headed leading of education.
Education is required. So, one is a community-based forums are women forum, women society,
like that.
Women society,
self-help
to help their problems, to understand their problem, to study their problem, and they themselves discuss and given a freedom to express their ideas. So that type of things can do. And similarly, females from 10-20 women join together, they can also start some what is called enterprises, some business, agriculture, cultivate that type of habit while what is called group.
Do you feel we should go for reservation, or can say quota for just political involvement of women?
That definitely required. What I feel is it will be definitely helpful, because some percentage of quota should be given, because always due to the many years after independence, 60-65 years over, still women are sidelined. They are not given a full opportunity to grow or to do something. That should be changed. So definitely Government of India has to think about giving some quota, in every sphere for women community.
Right. So there is one more question. 2/3 of our children shut outside the school gates are girls. Give some idea to keep them busy at the schools inside.
Many children now not going for the education, because that is a lacking in primary education. many girls are dropping
Yeah.
for the education.
Yeah.
And family obligation that child marriage and other thing, that will be not correct. You should be, a female should be educated, understand the society, and she can stand herself. Then only marriage and other thing have to think.
Yeah.
Otherwise it will be a burden for them and they are ignorant about it, they are not educated.
Yeah.
So education for families, education is very, very
Must.
important.
Should be. And now I'm coming to the burning topic of India right now. Many agitations comes up against that. Violence behind closed doors and at home and happenings against her consent, like crimes, that is
Criminals.
like rape. So will you agree that moral education as a compulsory subject should come up in college education too?
And that is what I think. Educational institution always they have the understanding studies there.
Yeah.
Society, especially society, uneducated people,
Yeah.
and they are in the power also.
Yeah.
They are doing a lot of these mischievous things,
Yeah.
especially, and that should be that attitude should be changed
Yeah.
by creating some good awareness about the people.
Yeah. Means, do you think that means moral education should come up in college also?
Moral education can
it
come in
needed?
the college, but
Yeah.
it is general education system.
Yeah.
But the public, so as we village by village wise, should be create some awareness things.
Yeah.
That is very important.
Okay. There is another question that they usually have less account access than men to medical care, property ownership, credit, planning and employment. Will there be a ground for them to make more access to properties?
Yeah, finance is one of the aspects for the female, because usually in some places, especially in Kerala and all,
Yeah.
property will go to the females rather than males,
It's great.
because marriage it will go after that also.
Great.
It is there, but because of the earlier war and other people, people will, females have to participate in war and
Yeah.
other thing,
Yeah.
so would go. But equality should be given.
Yeah.
Females also given equal power, equal for possession of the
Yeah. I think
property.
it may make women empowerment what we are calling
Calling.
and what is needed for right now. Time calls that. So the question is, the ability of women to control their own fertility is absolutely fundamental to women's empowerment and equality. Will you agree with this?
Yeah, definitely.
And will there is some constitutional changes for that should come up to make fertility right to the women at their own consent? Will it help us to make family planning and other things if we
no,
give them
education
right?
is must have family culture and background. What are the consequence of the things that should be aware about. What the rights of the woman, what are the law have them to protect them.
Yeah.
All these things they should know, and they should be not only individually. Some small forums are formed,
Yeah.
so they can have the platform to talk each
It's
other.
like government asking about self-help groups,
SHGs.
SHGs, right now coming up for helping women,
Women, so
and,
that type of forums
making cooperatives for them.
so they can discuss the matter
Yeah.
personally, and they can appropriate bodies, they can talk to them,
Yeah.
like that it can happen.
Yeah.
But many of them are crimes are unnoticed,
Yeah.
and they are afraid to give the appropriate complaint or other things.
Okay. This saying that gender equality implies a society in which women and men enjoy the same opportunity, outcomes, rights and obligations in all spheres of lives. So equality between man and woman exists when both sexes are able to share equally in the distribution of power and influence. That is to have equal opportunity for financial independence through work or through setting up businesses. So women empowerment is vital to sustainable development and the realization of human rights for us, for all of us.
All of us. Correct.
So is it true in
It is true.
the sense?
Because equal professional chance, equal power is given.
Yeah.
They definitely do wonderful work for the society, because they can contribute more than if you may.
Okay. So at the last, I'm asking about your this institution. Means, is there any female governing body or an institution or a
We
department
have the
who look after their issues?
we have some grievance committee to identify the girls program or women females faculty also. So grievance committee they can approach whatever.
And is there time to time any programs or camp organized?
We have a seminar for the Women's Day, and some other day also we are giving some seminar, workshop, etc. to express their ideas and all.
So kind of for this, yeah, sorry, please.
Like that, even now girl strength also a very large number increased from 200 to now 600, 650 girls are studying, and that is one improvement. So many females are coming, and most of them, surprisingly, most of them toppers are than boys, because they study well and they are getting lot of good marks.
Great. It is an achievement of NIT.
They are doing well actually.
Yeah, and I am very happy when I am just here at the institution which is of national importance as per government, and you are working for, and you are giving very much as an educationist. Almost I think 2 years you have completed here, and I think you do satisfy with you when you are just at that door, the seat.
Now I am very happy. Something good, some changes are happening and other thing. But you see, there's so many negative forces also there in the society. They collectively do damage everything. That such a people you should brought them notice.
Open-minded and you means will it be sorted out usually means you are going for that to
sort out and awareness create and do good thing.
Very good. So kind of you, sir. You have given the time, and I am very being privileged here to be with you for such a special subject which is needed for Indian pupils, and we should aware of that. Just